Hi beauties, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted a YouTube video. I took another little YouTube hiatus, I guess. I honestly just was not in the mood to film any YouTube videos, and I really didn't have any YouTube ideas. I have been wanting to film this lipstick declutter though. Anyways, I have been wanting to film this lipstick declutter though, so I'm very excited to jump into this today. My lipstick drawer is literally such a hot mess. I cannot find anything in it that I need. We need to do this today. Before we jump in, you guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. Now, let me stop rambling, and let's go ahead and dive into this lipstick declutter. You ready, Tequila? Okay, beauties, so this is the current state of my lipstick drawer. Y'all don't clock me. I know this is literally ridiculous. There's no reason for somebody to have this much lipstick. I'm just a makeup hoarder, okay? I can't help it. And I really hope this is set up good enough for you guys. I tried to set up my camera as well as I can, but since I filmed my last declutter, I did get a brand new ring light. So, you know, it's a whole nother situation I gotta figure out. Anyways, I just went ahead and dumped all of my Dose of Color liquid lipsticks in there because I do need to go through those. Some of those are really old, and I do have all of these lipsticks. I have some from Wet n Wild, and most of these are from Milani. I am going to be keeping all of these. They sit up on my desk, so I'm going to go ahead and just put them back up there. What I'm going to go ahead and do is clean out this drawer of all the lipsticks. I'll probably put them in a basket or something, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean out the bottom of this drawer. I cannot tell you guys the last time this drawer has been cleaned out, so y'all please do not judge me for how nasty the bottom of this drawer is about to be. Okay, beauties, I managed to shove all of my lipsticks in this Victoria's Secret bag. Now I am just going to go ahead and wipe out this drawer. And I'm going to go ahead and wipe out these little baskets too, because I'll probably be using these in this drawer again. Okay, y'all, I know this is kind of crazy, but I feel like it's going to be a lot easier for me to just put everything back in there and go through it. So I'm going to go ahead and dump the bag back in there. I'm going to try to make it a little bit more neater though, so it's easier to go through. Okay, beauties, I managed to shove everything back in here. Obviously, it's still a hot mess, but let's go ahead and just start going through this stuff. I am ready to make some room. First things first, over here is going to be kind of my bullet lipstick and my lip liner drawer. Obviously, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one. It doesn't even have a cap. These NYX ones, though, are really nice, so I do want to keep most of them. I honestly don't have a ton of lip liners, and I've been getting really into them lately, so I'm going to probably keep most of my lip liners. So I probably have some more down in this basket somewhere, but these are the lip liners that I am keeping, and these are the ones that I'm getting rid of so far. Alrighty, beauties, this is everything that I'm keeping from the first little container that I just went through. And this is everything that I'm not keeping from that container. I'm going to go ahead and put everything that I'm not keeping in this Victoria's Secret bag. Most of this stuff is used, so unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to give it away to people. But if I do find any lipsticks in here that are unopened and I haven't used yet, I am going to be sure to put them in my giveaway pile. Now, let's go ahead and start going through this second container. Okay, y'all, that one didn't take long at all. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of all of these ones from that container. And this is everything that I am keeping from that container. This is not how these containers are gonna stay organized, by the way. I am gonna go back and reorganize everything at the end of this video. Okay, beauties, in this next container, I have so many of these Urban Decay High Shine glosses. They are all so freaking pretty. That's why I've held on to them for so long, because they are just adorable. But honestly, I do not have room for all of these anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and go through these and get rid of some of them, but I am going to keep a couple colors. Okay, beauties, I picked out 7 out of the 19, but I'm going to go ahead and try to reduce this down even more. It's so freaking hard because they are all just so gorgeous. I'm going to get rid of, I think I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of this one. I like the sparkly ones. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all of these glosses. Whoop, whoop. We are moving right along and I absolutely love it. Here are by far some of my favorite liquid lipsticks ever. I have some from La Luna, Nima Beauty, Yvonne Beauty, and I absolutely love these. I do need to go ahead and get rid of the La Luna ones. I feel like they're dried out now and I need to get some new ones. So unfortunately, I am going to get rid of these. But as for all of these, I am probably going to keep all of them because I absolutely love these liquid lipsticks and I get so much use out of them. Alright, y'all. And as for the rest of these in here, I'm definitely going to keep all of my Milani. This one is from Ofra. I'm going to keep that one. And then I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these 3. I know this one is old and it's getting clumpy, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. I don't really use this Too Faced one. And I don't think Zerora is going to be selling these glosses anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those. As for the next one, I know that I'm keeping all 4 of my Coley Cosmetics Pride glosses. They are absolutely gorgeous and I love them, so those are staying. This is from Yvonne Beauty. It's really, really gorgeous, so that is staying. These are mostly from Carity Beauty. I do have one Pixie gloss in there, but I do have a lot of these, so I'm going to go ahead and pick out a few colors that I want to keep. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this Pixie one as well. I don't get much use out of it. So now for this back row, it is kind of overloaded. So I'm just going to start pulling some of the product forward and I'm going to start just going through it, keeping some of the stuff and getting rid of some of it. Okay, beauties, out of all the things that I just went through, I am going to go ahead and get rid of this whole basket. These Dose of Colors are so old. I didn't notice, but there's like some kind of like little beads in here. So I'm probably going to end up getting rid of all of them. Makes me so sad. I love those liquid lipsticks. I'm definitely making some pretty good progress and we still have all of this to go through. So let's go ahead and keep moving along. So I kept a good handful of both the Anastasia and ColourPop, just kind of keeping a little bit of each so I can have them on hand. Alright, in this next one here, it's a whole mix of different stuff. I got some Hip Dot, some Tarte, some My Beauty brand. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this. I only have these 2 baskets to go through, so I'm just going to go ahead and go through them real quick and then we can start organizing. Alrighty, beauties, these are all the liquid lipsticks and lipsticks that I'm getting rid of. I'm super proud of myself. I feel like I did really, really good today. And this is everything that I'm keeping. Now I'm going to go ahead and organize. Alrighty, beauties, this is the final drawer, you guys. I'm so excited. I can literally get to everything now. It still is a little full, but you guys, I love my lipstick, so it was hard for me to part with some of them, but I'm still freaking so happy with how much I got rid of. Like, go me! Okay, y'all, I almost forgot that I also do have this lipstick holder too that I cleared out all my Dose of Colors from. So I will be able to take some of my lipsticks out and display them on this on top of my IKEA drawers. So that will give me even more space in my lipstick drawer. I filmed this declutter a little bit differently and I didn't really talk much. I don't know if you guys like that, but if you did, please let me know down in the comments below. If you guys didn't know, in my bio always there is a link to my Beacons account, and that will take you to all of the brands that I have discount codes with and to all of my socials if you guys want to go follow me over on TikTok and on Instagram. I post way more on Instagram and on TikTok than I do on YouTube. So if you guys want to see way more content, make sure that you guys are following me over there. I hope you guys enjoyed this declutter. There are going to be plenty more to come. Let me tell you, my palettes are piling up again already, and oh, it's getting overwhelming. If you beauties enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave me a pink heart in the comments so that I know you stayed here till the end. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, beauties!